What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's BCMB Hits and Pools, where we break cards, not bread. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is opening day for this opening day 2021 Blaster. Before we get started, thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys can hit that subscribe button for me if you haven't done so already, that'd be amazing. Today, like I said, I got this 2021 Topps opening day blaster. I bought two of these off Mercari. It was like maybe 23 or $26 for two. I figure why not for about just over 10 bucks for a blaster. I'm down. So I haven't gotten anything major out of these, but eventually we're bound to hit something, right? So let's get into this and see if we can get anything. If you guys have opened any opening day, let me know how it's been for you, because it's been a fun rip for me, but I haven't been able to pull anything major yet. This is probably going to be the one where I pull a one of one and retire off of it. So if you guys stick with it, it's going to be in one of these, guarantee. So there's a lot of packs in here, 10 packs. There's 7 cards per pack, and there's 77 cards. Actually, there's 11 packs, yeah. So it's 10 packs, 1 extra pack. I don't know what the difference is to find out what the extra pack is, but regardless, I have 12 packs. How come? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. I got 12 packs, and it says 10 packs plus 1. So, I don't know. That's cool. We're going to do 12 packs out of a 11 pack box. Awesome. All right. Anyways, pack number 1 is going to be starting us off with Trevor Story. Then we got Teoscar Hernandez, followed by Willy Adames. And then we have Albert Pujols, followed by our first mascot of Mr. Met. And then he'll be followed by a rookie, which is what I'm here for. Awesome. Casey Mize. Casey Mize, rookie. And then a Mike Clevinger. Right. So we're going to sleeve up Casey Mize. I sleeve up all the rookies again if you guys don't know. But yeah, all the parallels, all the rookies, sleeving them up. Okay, this is going to be pack number 2. Starting us off, we got Keibert Ruiz, which is a good rookie. We got Chris Bryant. We have an Andrew Benintendi. Oh, then there's our first insert, Texas Rangers. We just got this one with the last blaster we opened. We got Nick Solak, Future Stars. Then we got a Nick Neidert, rookie. And an opening day of JT Realmuto. Okay. I think I have to conserve my sleeves right now. So for now, I'm just going to sleeve up the actual rookie cards and any foils or numbered cards that we get. I got to make a trip to pick up more sleeves, like I said. So that's on the agenda for tomorrow. It's payday. That means more cards or supplies. Okay. Pack number 3. Open this up right quick. Let's see what we got in here. We have a Brandon Nimmo, followed by Santiago Espinal. Nice rookie there. We have a Ryan Yarbrough for the Rays. And an Angel of Mike Trout. Nice. Okay, Mike Trout. Followed by a Kirby Puckett. And then we have a Josh Bell. Followed by a rookie of Brandon Belak. Okay, so we got two more rookies. That's actually why I don't mind opening day, because of the amount of rookies that you get inside of here. Always get a bunch. Okay, pack number 4. Hopefully this is the one with our retirement in it. Let's see. We got Paul Goldschmidt. We got Steven Strasburg. Then we got a Future Stars of James Karinchak. Future Stars. Okay. Then we have a Slugger, which is one of the mascots for the Royals. And then we have Jose Abreu. He'll be followed by Luis Castillo. And our one rookie is going to be Nick Heath, also for the Royals. Okay, let's get him sleeved up. Put him there. And let's see. All right, there's my 2 piles. So on the side, I have a pile for inserts, Future Stars, stuff like that. And then I also have one for the commons, for just the base cards, non-rookies, non-inserts. We got Max Muncy. We got a Future Stars of Adbert Alzolay. We got Dalton Varsho, rookie. Outstanding opening day of Hank Aaron. We have a Matt Chapman, Max Kepler, and an Isaac Paredes. Okay, so we got 2 rookies out of that pack. We'll move on to the next one. One of these packs felt pretty thick, so I'm hoping there's something inside there. Let's get to this next one. All right, so this next pack, starting us off, we got a Cody Whitley. It's a rookie. We got Victor Robles, followed by Ryan Braun. We got an insert of Ricky Henderson. Then we got Brett Gardner. And then Aristides Aquino, Future Stars. And a Luis Robert. So I know that's a rookie cup, but we're sleeving that one up because Luis Robert is who he is. Okay. Next pack. I think we're at the halfway point right now. We're right about there. What do you guys think of opening day? I'm curious to know. I know some people say it's just real basic set, but I enjoy it. We got Justin Turner. We got Marcell Ozuna. We got a rookie of Andres Jimenez. And then we got Alex Verdugo. And his teammate. Nope, not a teammate. We got Wally the Green Monster, his mascot. And then we've got Fernando Tatis. We're going to sleeve him up as well. And then Jesus Aguilar. Okay. We sleeve up all the Tatis cards here. I sleeve up all the rookies. Okay. Then we got 5 packs left. All right. So let's see what we can get out of these last few packs. And that's a nice one right there. Starting us off, we got Ryan Mountcastle, rookie. Yu Darvish. Then we got Brandon Crawford. Then an insert of Johnny Bench, followed by George Springer. We got Salvador Perez and another rookie of Albert Abreu. Okay. So I'm pretty sure every pack has one or two rookies at least. And some have more. Let's get to this next one. But we got a pretty good array of rookies so far. So I'm pretty stoked. And this one we got a color in there. So we got Patrick Corbin to start us off. Followed by Mike Brosseau, Future Stars. Then our color blue is going to be Josh Donaldson. We'll sleeve that one up. That's a very nice card. Then we got the Cincinnati Reds opening day. Followed by Anderson Tejeda, rookie. And a Ramon Laureano catching another homer. And Aaron Nola. Okay. So those are our two. We got Anderson Tejeda, rookie. And then a very nice blue foil of Josh Donaldson. Okay. Not numbered, but very nice. Okay. Then we got 3 packs left. Again, we had 12 packs in an 11-pack box. So I was stoked. We got Dustin May, Future Stars. Followed by Ian Anderson, rookie card. We got Charlie Blackmon. We got Caleb Smith. An insert of Roberto Clemente. And then we have Carlos Correa. And a rookie of Chris Bubic. All right. So we're down to 2 more packs. Hopefully our retirement card is in there. And I can just keep making videos every day. So last 2 packs. Let's see what we can get. Let's see if we got that Mickey Mantle short print or anything like that. But this one, we got Juan Soto. Very nice. Opening day. Then we have Randy Arozarena, Future Stars. We have a Rafael Devers. Then a New York Mets opening day. Insert. We have a Bo Burrows, rookie. We got Miguel Sano. And our last one is going to be Miguel Rojas. Okay, so we're going to sleeve up Burrows real quick. And then we shall open our last pack. This one feels pretty heavy, I think. But what do I know? I just open cards. Okay, so I don't think we have anything major in this one either. But we started off, we got Buster Posey, Anthony Rizzo. We got John Means. Let's get a rookie of someone, please. We got, oh no, we got Blooper for the Braves. And then we have DJ LeMahieu. We have Raisel Iglesias. And our last card is going to be a rookie of Dane Dunning. So, nothing major there, but still a very enjoyable rip for me. Hope you guys enjoyed that also. We only got 1 colored card in there, but we got a pretty good array of rookies. So, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. And I will see you guys at the next video. But before we do, If you guys can hit that like button and the subscribe button, that'd be awesome. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. All right, take care. Aloha.